morning, students. We have already discussed about the points of division. Now we will start our exercise. Practice exercise 2.3. Practice exercise 2.3. And this will be discussed today. The first question number 1. Question number says that you have to find the reciprocal of 7 by 9. You have to find the reciprocal of 7 by 9. And you know very well, that means I have already make you understand that in this question, if you have to find the reciprocal of any number, then its numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. That means 9 by 7. 9 by 7. And this is our answer. That means we have to find the inverse of this number. And the reciprocal of any number is the inverse of that number. Okay? 9 by 7. 7 by 9 will be 9 by 7. And this is your reciprocal. Okay? Question number 2. Question number 2. Divide the following as indicated. That means 5 by 8, 2 by 3. In this question, we have to change the divide into multiply. And the second fraction will be the second fraction, that means 2 by 3, we have to find the reciprocal of second fraction. That means 3 by 2. Okay? Then 5 multiplied with 3 and 8 multiplied with 2. Then 5 3 is 15, 8 2 is 16. This is your answer. Okay? If you have any problem, then you will contact me at my mobile number. Okay? Question number 3. Question number 3. And the number A, no any subsection, has question number 3. That means question number 3 says that if 5 whole 1 by 3 liters of milk are to be divided between 8 children, how much milk will each child get? Okay? Total number of milk is equal to 5 whole 1 by 3 liters. That means total milk has to be divided is equal to 5 whole 1 by 3 liters. That means 16 by 3 liters. And 16 by 3 liters has to be divided between 8 students. Between 8 children. Divided between milk has to divided between 8 children. And then what is the show a ratio of each children is equal to 16 by 3, 8. And when you solve with this, then you will get your answer. Okay? That means total milk has to be divided is equal to 5 whole 1 by 3 liters. That means 16 by 3 liters has to be divided between 8 students, 8 children. Number of children, milk has to be divided between 8 children. So ratio of each children will be 16 by 3 divided by 8 by 1, and when you will solve this, then you will get your answer. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says that if 7 identical books kept together weigh 6 whole 2 by 9 book 9 kg, what is the weight of each book? This is also divided. That means you have to divide it. 6 whole 2 by 9 kg will be divided by 7, and the language must have to be written by you. Okay, that means you have to try the language such like this. Okay, I am making you understand only, that means what is the process. Okay, and you have to solve these all in your copy. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5 says that, and if you solve this, then you will get your answer. Okay. Now we are in question number 5, and question number 5 says that if the cost of 5 whole 2 by 5 liters of milk is equal to 101 whole 1 by 4, find the cost per liter. This will also be divided. That means when you 101 whole 1 by 4 will be divided by 5 whole 2 by 5, and then you will get your answer. Language must be written in HW copy. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6 says that the cost of 5 whole 3 by 4 kg of mangoes is 184. Find the cost of 1 kg of mangoes. That means this will also 184 will be divided by 5 whole 3 by 4 kg, and when you solve this, then you will get your answer. Okay. Now we are in question number 7. That means question number 7. Question number 7. That means what is question number 7? A total of 4 whole 1 by 8 kg of flour was used to bake 11 cakes. How much flour will be needed to bake 1 cake? That means total flour be used is equal to 4 whole 1 by 8 kg. To bake 11 cakes, that means 4 whole 1 by 8 kg of flour is to be divided into 11 cakes. That means if 4 whole 1 by 8 kg is divided into 11 parts, then you will get your answer. Clear? Question number 8. Question number 8 says that a roll of cloth measures 60 meter. If 2 whole 1 by 2 meter of cloth are required to stitch a shirt, how many shirts can be stitched using this roll of cloth? That means this will also, if 60 meter is divided into 2 whole 1 by 2 part, then it will your answer. That means when you solve this, you get your answer. When you solve this, you get your answer. Question number 8. Question number 9. Question number 9. The area of a rectangular field is 2 whole. That means this is a rectangular field. Suppose ABCD, and its area is 286 whole 3 by 4 meter square. Length is equal to 18 whole 1 by 2 meter, and then you have to find the breadth of this rectangular part, this rectangular field. Then you know very well, that means breadth is equal to area by length. And when 286 whole 3 by 4 meter square will divided by 18 whole 1 by 2 meter, then you will get your answer. Clear? Now we are in question number 10, and this is the last question of exercise 2.3. Question number 10. By selling tickets for a charity show, a group of students collected 5,272 whole 1 by 2 rupees. If the cost of each ticket was 55 whole 1 by 2, find the number of tickets sold. That means this is also divided. Okay, you have to, by selling tickets for a charity show, a group of students collected total money collected, COLLECTED, by students is equal to rupees. That means this amount is collected by total students for a charity show, and cost of each ticket is equal to rupees 55 whole 1 by 2. This is the price of total students. This is total money collected, and this amount is the cost of one ticket. So we have to find the number of tickets sold. So number of tickets sold is equal to divided. Okay, and when you solve this, you will get your answer. Okay, now we will discuss about the decimals in our next video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.